Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good day. Welcome back to my channel. So here you can see our front before with the beautiful flowers. But this year we didn't really do much because we had decided to improve our front, the walkway, make it wider and remove some of the plants, especially this beautiful berry plant, but it has lots of thorns, and everyone is complaining when they walk through this skimpy walkway. They got brick, and also the mailman. So they started. This is the first day they removed my berry plant. I'm so sad. And after removing it, they started digging and put the interlocks around and fill it up with sands. They have to remove all these slabs of stones so they can do the digging and filling up with the sands. We just wanted to keep the size of our porch, but the foreman gave the idea of making it bigger so it will look better. So as they go along, we can see the big difference, because we can see now that it will be much bigger. So we were wondering, will the porch be bigger than the house? We'll see. So guys, after the first day, this is what they have done, and you can really see the big difference. Oh, we are in O. So now I have to clean the side box. This will be the only box that we will plant flowers. We didn't have any more on the other side. They fill it up with the soil that they dig. So I have to clean it with all these roots and stones and gravels, so it will be prepared for planting. So they finished the second step on the second day, and you can see like it is really getting big, the walkway and the porch. So what's left now is the last step. Okay guys, now this is the third day, and you can see it now. What a big difference. They improve the round box. They put the beautiful stones there, and now you can see how big and wide the walkway and the porch. Now this is the fourth and last day. They finished the walkway, put some grass, and paved the driveway. So, guys, that's why the title of my blog is Two Birds in One Stone. Now we had to think for a while before we decided to spend our hard-earned money savings to improve our front yard. And well, I think it paid off because you can see that it will be an added value to our home, and at the same time we will be enjoying it. We will be sitting on the porch. All we need is a beautiful swing there, so when our grandkids come, we can all enjoy it. And we need more plants. Look at this red plant, beautiful red flowers. And we have also added beautiful silky lily, and also purple lark candle flowers. That's what they call it. The thing is, flowering plants here are so expensive. Sometimes each cost almost $50. So to plant is like a fortune. But I can tell you, we were so happy. Okay, guys, don't think twice now. Spend your hard-earned savings improving your home and adding a value, enjoying the improvement. So we're so happy. So I want to thank all of you again and again and again for watching always my videos, for all the love and support. Thank you all, guys, and God bless us all. Don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe. And for those who didn't subscribe yet, well, you can still. So thank you so much, and God bless us all.